I look so ratchet. It's 1:45 in the morning. I'm wearing my state shirt, and I look pale. Alright, I'm gonna screw this up, but I'm gonna just keep going because I don't feel like recording. I just tried it and I screwed up the first line. It well may be, it well may be, it well may be. Alright. Change for good. It well may be that we will never meet again in this lifetime. So let me say before we part, so much of me is made of what I've learned from you. You'll be with me like a handprint on my heart. And now whatever way our stories end, I know you have rewritten mine by being my friend. Like a steel plumb from its mooring when the sea no by a sky bird in a distant wood. Who can say if I've been changed for the better? But because I knew you, I have been changed for good.